I bet you had no idea Dollar Tree started carrying these gorgeous lanterns. This is some straight Pottery Barn, okay?
A near direct dupe is $50 at Pottery Barn. What the what? Dollar Tree has them from $3 to $5.
But here's what's even cooler. It's right over here. Come here. They have these string lights. But what is new about these string lights? These you can sync to music that you're playing, all right?
They dance to the sounds they hear. No, for real.
Da, 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 da.
But more on that in a minute.
Welcome back to Do It on a Dime. Today, we have a complete home makeover, easy cleaning ideas. Everything is affordable. If you thought I cannot make my home beautiful from the Dollar Tree, think again. Come here. Awesome find. Dollar Tree sells stacking pumpkins. They sell a large size from the plus section that is $5. You can easily spray paint it. But they also started selling this year a small size. This is $1.25. And this looks pretty tacky, so I'm just going to give this a beautiful coat of spray paint.
We've got options, and I want to know which you like best. I did a light matte white, and then I put this textured finish stone spray paint over top. I'll link this for you. One can has lasted for 8 large projects. This is going to give it a really elegant, genuine stone-like finish. And be on the lookout because new at Dollar Tree are these metallic paints. They have tons of colors from gold to silver. This whole project was about 10 minutes of active working time. I glued on some fall foliage, of course, from Dollar Tree. What do you think? In person, this screams elegant, but the other option I wanted to show you are the larger pumpkins. Now these, I painted 3 different colors, a dusty blue, a dusty pink, and then I put the blue leaves on from Dollar Tree. So option 1 or option 2.
Dollar Tree is selling all of these more natural looking sprigs. We've got this leaf, which is really cool, and these are all real. And so we're gonna combine all of this together for a beautiful display with a vase.
My friend sent me a text with this picture, and she said she didn't know what to do with her entryway. And I want to make Dollar Tree videos that show you how you use products, true before and after makeovers. She is really into natural cleaning products. I have tons of those coming up in this video. This lavender spray is a Dollar Tree favorite, and it has plant-derived ingredients. I'm really sensitive to all smells, and this one just smells so fresh and light. So the first thing I did was clean up this entryway. I added some stone spray paint to this floral vase and those natural picks, and check out how beautiful these lanterns look. And these chunky Dollar Tree candles are an amazing buy at $1.25. Wait till you see this face.
But I love telling a scent story in my home. Dollar Tree got these brand new candles. They're $3 to $5. Not only is the outside gorgeous, some of these smell absolutely incredible. And I'm gonna tell you the ones that don't smell incredible because we gotta know that too, okay? Pretty some of the outside of the containers are. I'm just loving this.
In my opinion, these squat candles did not have a lot of throw, but any candles in the frosted containers had so much throw, especially the toasted marshmallow, apple cinnamon, and pumpkin spice.
Yo, this is another new product that I love. These glasses are absolutely stunning. This ribbed look is beautiful and it mimics some of the candles at the front of the store. I really like this. I love this gold. Like for little makeovers, what I like to do, just come over here, I'll show what I do. I kind of put things together like this. This is how you do something high end from the Dollar Tree.
I mean, it's why I shop here. You really can't take me anywhere.
This is like straight to jail. No.
I could not get over these poor little owls missing their eyes and their beaks. I might be way too easily amused.
So what a weather. So what a weather.
These textured candle jars are incredible. Y'all, you know I love a creamsicle. This smells just like a creamsicle. I'd love to hear your opinion of these candles, and there's still $1.25 options.
Isn't this gorgeous? It's so freaking pretty. I love the color on this. And all of these vases are new. They're all $1.25. I love this one. I love like the texture on this, and all of this is beautiful. Like they have some, look at this. This looks like something that you're finding at Hobby Lobby. Like this vintage antique look is really in. Look at that. Isn't this so cool? Like this is gorgeous. This is stunning. They have a big one and a small one. Love this.
And the secret is, when in doubt, to buy 4 canvases. This is going to create an anchor to this vase. And I pulled from an old box an adorable picture of my friend's grandparents. Isn't this the cutest thing you've ever seen? I added it right into one of these Dollar Tree frames. She told me that pears were kind of their thing, so I loved that we found this pear candle in store. I grabbed a cattail sprig to add to the vase. This gave it so much warmth and texture. We went from a messy, disorganized space to an inspired one. This is one that has meaning, memory, and everything on it is important, embellished from Dollar Tree. When your space is beautiful for you, it's easier to keep it organized and clean. And speaking of cleaning,
Oxydol is a brand new product at Dollar Tree. It comes in an orange scent and it comes in a power oxygen scent. This is effectively knockoff OxyClean.
I often get asked how I keep my sheets bright white. I use OxyClean. A capful of this into my towel load helps keep them looking so beautiful, and this Dollar Tree knockoff definitely works, y'all. If it comes from Dollar Tree and it doesn't make my life easier, I don't want it. I spend a long time making sure I'm bringing you the things that you're going to love. And I'd love to hear in the comments if you have a favorite Dollar Tree cleaning product like this one.
More new products for cleaning. They have this hardwood floor cleaner that I really like. They also have this scrub-free bathroom cleaner. These are two products I can highly recommend.
I really liked this hardwood floor cleaner. It says right on the bottle it contains plant-based ingredients and it leaves a streak-free shine, which I actually found to be true. Hardwood floor cleaner is expensive, and this one definitely lived up to expectations. And yes, this mop is from the Dollar Tree. But the hero of this video is the pure baking soda.
This is really great as a cleansing powder. It deodorizes and refreshes. I'm talking couches, entryways, furniture, pillows. This stuff is awesome.
But my favorite way to use this is as a cleanser. Y'all, this smells so good. You can use this to clean your garbage disposals, and you can even use this in the bottom of your shower, especially in smelly drains. I can't recommend it enough. And this liquid hand soap in Fresh Lemon, this is Arm & Hammer brand. The fresh lemon smells so good, and this is a fabulous deal. It even beats Walmart's price.
Vinegar at Dollar Tree is a great deal. This is cheaper than Walmart, but this can also be used to clean windows, and all you need is some white distilled vinegar and coffee filters, okay? It works really well.
So for all my friends out there who love super natural cleaning, all you need is a 50-50 mixture of water vinegar solution. You can spray this on glass, spray this on your windows, and then you wipe it up with a coffee filter. This is really easy, and the coffee filters are pretty sturdy too because water is meant to pass through them. It gives you a streak-free shine every time. And a hat, because I love you and I like to see you organized. Take those extra coffee filters and put them in a Dollar Tree container. You can put these in your kitchen, obviously for coffee, or you can take some out, especially if you got kids, like maybe a lot of kids over. You can serve snacks right inside of these. They act like little bowls and it's more eco-friendly. And speaking of snacks,
I just have to point out a couple things that are here that you might not know about. This lace table runner is absolutely gorgeous. Now, recently I completely made over my dining room doing a Halloween theme, and I thought this would be really beautiful to add for $1.25. And y'all, if you're throwing a party, Dollar Tree legitimately just became Party City. Just look at this. They have these party drink bags. Look at this. They have these little party favor syringes. Like you could put something sweet and yummy inside of that. They have chair covers. And, come here. They have these really cool candy dispensers. These three sell out every single year. But when I come here, I don't like to buy all the things. Have you ever gone like aspirational party shopping? You know what I'm talking about. You buy way too many things and you're like, what am I actually gonna do with all this stuff? I like to buy one or two things. So my personal favorites are these. I love how they go together. I also really like these if you wanted to, but I'm gonna leave this here and just put something really simple together. This is perfect for Halloween.
That $3.75 hack plus candy. You know, I love me some candy. So we're gonna make a really cool spider pedestal. So I just hot glued this, add a little bit of E6000 for some extra security, add some candy inside, perfect for Halloween. And remember those twinkle lights I showed you? They have a little microphone built in. So if you play music or talk around them, they start changing colors and alternating and pulsing. It's actually so super cool. I recommend these.
These hanging decorations for outside are a really good deal. Like if you compare this to Home Depot, Lowe's, like and it's not Party City. What's that Halloween store? Spirit Halloween.
Spirit Halloween.
This is like a fabulous deal for outside decor, the best. I love these display easels too. If you get something from the Halloween section or decor, if you like the signs, this is how I display them. I just want to show you this. Dollar Tree is starting to carry some $10 products. Like this is new, but I'm really excited about it because this is a really good and affordable product. I'm gonna link on screen what Amazon charges for the same thing. If you get some off-brand sterno cans for the bottom, this is really great for like a cookout this fall. I really like this. Also, new right now at Dollar Tree are magazines, like tons of magazines. They have one-pot cooking recipes, which these look really good. I'm really excited to try this chicken and dumplings recipe. And they have some backyard ideas and upgrades. I've gotten some really cool DIY ideas from these. So highly recommend, $1.25. I love having magazines. It's like, it feels so old school to me. I love magazines. I love the hair section, particularly this fall. They stepped it up. Not only Do they have these headbands that are super trending? They also have really cute hair bows. I love a good hair bow.
These are 2 trending products, and yes, they are always cheaper at Dollar Tree. My beautiful friend, guess what? If nobody has told you today, you are enough.
It's just my outfit, and I'm buying it, and I really like this.